In this part of the video, we are going to learn how the imperative sentences are going to be changed into indirect speech. What are the imperative sentences? Imperative sentences are those sentences in which some kind of appeal, means request, order, command, proposal or suggestion is given. Clear? If any kind of request is made, for example, we have if there is please word is given, or order are given, we have some sentences, go into this work. So like this command is given, you will have to do this, like this. Proposal or suggestion is given, like let us do this thing, let us do that thing, these kind of sentences. For example, have a glance on the first sentence of this category. She said to me, said to me. So in this part of the video, we are going to learn how these imperative sentences in which some kind of request is made, order is given, command, proposal or suggestion is given, how we are going to change them. So see, these kind of sentences, how we are going to make changes in the reporting verb and reported speech, also how we will connect it with the reporting verb. See, set to changes according to the mood of the sentence. If request is made now, then it will be requested instead of set to. And connector that we will use will be to. Requested to, suggested to, proposed to, ordered to. Clear? So requested to, ordered to, command to, proposed to, suggested to. So like this, in the space of the verb, in the reporting verb, we are going to use these words according to the mood or the sense of the sentence, and along with the connector we will use to. She said to me, please give me your book. These are the actual words of the speaker. She was making a plea, she was requesting, she was appealing. Request थी कि give me your book. So we will write like this. She requested me. Instead of said to, we will use requested me. To connector we are going to use to, with the to plus verb. To plus verb. To give. Please we will cut, we will chop it because we have already used requested. Clear? So we will use she requested me to give me. So me is the first person, you is the second person. So subject case first she, second case is me. So me according to she. So what will be the objective case for it? Her. To give her. You is the second person. This is the second here. Me. This is the first, this is the second case. Me. So me will change into my. Objective case will change into subjective case here. To give her my book. Clear? She requested me. To is the connector with the to plus verb. To give her my book. Now see the second sentence. John said to his servant, go out at once. Go out at once. So see, the sense of the sentence shows that an order is made on the servant. Servant is ordered. John ordered his servant. Instead of said to, according to the sense of the sentence, we have used ordered. His servant to connector. Ordered to. Clear? So to plus verb go. Go out at once. John ordered his servant to go out at once. Likewise, third sentence, he said to me, let us. If we are given these kind of sentences, let us, so it means a suggestion or proposal is made. So sometimes it is our choice whether to use proposed or suggestion. So you can use any of them. He said to me, he proposed me or suggested to me that. But in these kind of sentences where suggestion or proposal is given, we will use the connector that and to along. He proposed to me. Now, not he proposed me. He proposed to me that we should. Here we will use should. Should have. Should have. Have is already given. We will use should. So, which kind of structure we are going to use for those sentences in which some kind of suggestion or proposal is made by the another person that इसमें कहा गया हो किसी को कि हम ये काम करते हैं, मीन्स बोथ ऑफ द पर्सन आर गोइंग टू इन्वॉल्व देमसेल्व्स इन द सेम थिंग, सेम एक्टिविटी. So they are making a proposal or suggestion. So just say for example we have the sentences, let us go for a walk, let us have some tea, like this. So in this structure is suggested, as I already said, suggested or proposed along with it that connector we are going to use plus should. Clear? That connector, not if, that we will use. Suggested to mean that, and should, that we should. Us will change into we. So us is the first person. But here see us, let us means all of them are going to use the same activity, he and me also. So we have used we in the subjective case, that we should. Always in the reporting, indirect speech we are making use of a subjective case. We always is changed into us. We is the first person, subjective case, us is the objective case. We will use subjective. We should have some tea. Now fourth sentence. When there is no proposal or suggestion but let is there, means the person is not, no any person is making any suggestion. We are ourselves wanted to do some activity, wanted to eat something. So he said, let me have some water. So I'm just, no any other person is saying to the other. There is no any second person. एक person दूसरे person को नहीं बोल रहा. This person himself, speaker himself is saying, because he cherished a desire, he wanted to eat, he wanted to devour, or he wanted to do something. So what is the structure for that? Wish. This is the wish of the speaker. Wish that. Likewise, that we will use as we have done in the previous sentence, but instead of suggestion or proposal, because suggestion or proposal is given by the second person, another person. But he said, no any another person is there. He is saying for his own desire, for the sake of his own desire, he wanted to eat, he wanted to drink something. So we will use wish. This is a wish of the speaker. Wish that. Instead of should, as we have used in the previous sentence, we will use might. Might shows his keen desire, but should shows suggestion. So सिर्फ करना चाहिए. But यहाँ पे this is the keen desire of the speaker. So we will use wish that might. He said, let me have some water. He wished that me. Who is the me? First person. He. He might. Instead of should, might. He might have some water.